Assalamualaikum, greetings. Are you looking to create amazing or stylish beaded bracelets? In this video, I'll tell you how to make this 3-color bracelet. Let's get started. Materials: 3-color beads, beaded wire, lobster lock or jump ring, golden chain. Take a beaded wire or tie a knot of lobster lock in the center. Take a 1-color bead or cross the both sides of wire. Then insert same color beads both sides. Take a 1-color bead or cross the both sides of wire. In the next step, insert 1-color bead in one side, or other color bead insert in other side, as shown in the video. Repeat the process. At last, tie a knot. Final results of bracelet. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.